In this video, you'll learn how to unlock your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Following these steps will allow you to access your device quickly and securely. To begin, press the power button located on the right side of your Google Pixel 8 Pro, or simply tap the screen. This action will wake up the device, and you should see the lock screen appear, displaying the current time and any notifications you may have. Ensure that the device is responsive to your touch, as this indicates it is ready for the next step. Next, you will need to use your preferred unlock method. This could be a PIN, password, fingerprint, or face unlock. Carefully enter the correct details based on the method you've set up. If you are using the fingerprint option, place your finger on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the device. Make sure your finger is positioned correctly to ensure accurate recognition. Once you've successfully entered your unlock credentials, the device will unlock and transition to the home screen. At this point, you should be able to access all your apps and features without any issues. Take a moment to ensure everything loads properly, as this confirms that the unlocking process was successful. If for any reason the unlocking fails, do not hesitate to try again. Carefully re-enter your PIN or password, or reposition your finger for fingerprint recognition. It is important to remain calm during this process, as repeated attempts may be necessary to verify your identity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.